Hello guys, I'm here with you sharing the summer day tier tray, and this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY, myself Deborah Cabasa, home living, Debbie Bubbles, and the co-hosts are Lifestyle Design with Teresa, Sandy Home and Garden, Joyful Decor by Denise, The Carol Crafter, Albidol, Maze Design Corners, and use the hashtag TierTrade24. Guys, if we have any more co-hosts, I will put them in my description box below. All right, guys. I'm going to be doing two different styles. I'm over here. It's late at night, so I'm recording now. So guys, I pulled down my ring light. Even though I have my ring light, I feel there is still not enough light, but we're going to do our best. I'm going to start, like I said, two tier trays, and I'm going to be using random things that I have. I have a grouping here and a grouping there, so I don't know. So I'm going to start with my little Dollar Tree lantern. So I have a little tea light candle in. I'm going to put in here. So like that, I could have this at the bottom here. So I'm gonna have, and guys, I'm using this tier tray. My sister brought this to me today. Today is actually the 24th after 7 p.m. I spent the day with my sister, and she came out on the video that I recorded this morning. You will see her on Sunday on Quick and Easy Meals. All right, guys. Let's see. I'm going to use this little, I'm using my DIY since it's still summer. I'm going to use some of my bee theme items. I'm using this little, I bought this at Michael's, and it has a pig, so I fold it so like that he can stand here on my bee, on my tier tray. So I'm laying him back. I'm also using my DIYs that I created, guys. So I got you guys over there on my table tripod. All right. I do have a ring light, but it's such a pain on the neck to be taking it out and using it. I'm also going to, like I said, I'm using all my DIY items, and this is style number one. I'm going to bring you two styles or maybe three styles. I am not sure, guys. So this one is hard to turn on. Okay, I got the little light. So there you have it. Maybe if I turn off the main light, you guys can see a little better. No, I will leave the big light on, then I will turn it off. I'm using my little beehive that I created on the bottom tiered. Let's add some flower, guys. I think I want to add this little bouquet of flowers. This is the same base. What I do is I usually change the flowers. So I took out, I have flowers here that I use for the July tier tray for the 4th of July. So I took out those blue flowers and I put random flowers that I have laying around. So I want to put this on the top here. I want to place this on the center. Let's fix it like this. Yeah, I want to place this one on the top. There. Yep, okay. And also I'm going to use the yellow ones on the bottom. So like so. And I also have this big. This is from Michael as well. So I want to place this one. I want to place this one here on the next to the lantern, but I don't want to. Even if the lantern gets covered, it's all right. I just want to have that there. And let's use my little sweet honey thing that I created as well. So I'm going to put this one here. I don't know what, okay, maybe, I don't know if I could stand it here. Okay, I have it there. And also I have this little random fairy house. Since it's yellow and it's green, I want to place it over here as well. All right, guys, let me see. Can you guys see it clearly from there? Okay, let me move you guys closer. So that's what my first, I won't move the tripod because it's a whole mess, guys. This is my first look, my queen bee tiered tray. I hope you guys like this look. And let me turn on the lights so you guys can see the lights. So I don't know if you guys can see the little lantern on the bottom. Yeah, you can see the little light around there. And then I'm going to go all the way around and you guys going to be seeing the cross. See, there is the cross. I know it's blinking, it's flickering. But with the ring light, it's a little bit hard to see. But it's there. You guys can see the little bright right on the center. All right, guys, this is style number 1. Let's do style number 2. So I'm going to bring you guys right back with style number 2. All right, guys, let's go with style number 2. As you guys can see, I have my big candle is on. As you guys can see, I will show you it is on, and I have it there because I'm gonna show you what my tier tray is gonna look like when I turn off the lights, and I want to decor around it. This one is going to be more girly vintage style type thing. So I want to start by using, I'm going to use a lot of birds on this one, guys, but they're all going to come together nicely. This is a little vintage little doll. She has like a, it's like a little mini planter. So I got flowers in the back, and I want to put her here because she's carrying flowers. So I want to put her next to the candle. All right. And then I'm also using my vintage style little boot or shoe, however you want to call it, with beautiful little flowers on the top. I want to place it right here. All right. I am going to keep my cross, you guys can see, and my little lantern. Of course, I will be placing my lantern here on the bottom. And what happened? Oh, I guess if it's bright, it turns out, I don't know. And I got my cross is on. As you guys can see, the light is on. So I want to put it right here next to the tier tray. And also I want to use my yellow flower because this is the sunny tray. What is the title? This is the sunny day tier tray. And yellow flowers, sunny, beautiful. So I will be putting this one back here. I will put my Vantage. This is Vantage Mommy Bird with the birdie made in Japan. I thrifted this a long time ago. I want to place it here on the top. And also, I also have another one as well here, made in Japan as well. I will be placing this one on the bottom, looking towards the outside. And you guys know my little birds. So I will be placing one over here on the top and one over here on the bottom. And you know, summertime birds, beautiful. So yeah, guys. Well, I want to move this bird over here a little bit, and I want to place these other flowers over here. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I like that there. I think that's cute. I've got the cross over here. Or maybe I can place the cross over here on the top next to my, no, because that's the light up there. I will place it over here. Guys, my husband is watching funny videos. That's how come if you guys heard him laugh, that's why he's laughing. He's watching funny YouTube videos. And I got little random flowers and greenery that I got from around. So I will, oh, I also have this little Vantage vase. I want to place it right here as well. And some random flowers that I have. This one's gonna have flowers and more flowers. Yeah, guys. So also I have my little blinking pink flowers. I can find my lavender. I cannot find, I don't know what I did with them. And I will place this one here as well. Guys, I also have my Dollar Tree Bluebird. I had a clip, but the clip fell off. I don't know what happened to it. Let's find a spot to place him in. I think I will put him in here in this little corner, or maybe, yeah, I got him up here. And also I have this, this is for the Dollar Tree or Dollar General. It's a garland with a little rainbow on it. So I'm just going to put it in here. So just want to place it like so. And stick it and put it on this side. I was gonna make my own garland today, but I couldn't find my beads, my bag of beads. I got wooden beads. I couldn't find them because my sister was gonna make me how she was gonna help me make it. So we wound up doing a video for quick and easy meals instead because I couldn't find them. Yeah, guys. So this is a look number 2. Tell me how you guys like it. I will bring you guys close. And the best way to do a tier tray is having it on a Lazy Susan so you guys could move it around without scratching any of your table surfaces. So yeah, guys, this is my second look. I hope you guys like it. And of course, I'm going to add my picture frame, which it has flowers, and it has my nephew, my grandson, and my husband and I. You guys might not be able to see my nephew, He has his Marine uniform on. You only can see his face. He's right over here. I don't know if you guys can see him, but there he is. And this is look number 2. So guys, I hope you guys like it. I like both of them. I don't know which one I'm going to keep. I don't know if this one or the B theme, and leave it in the center of the table. Of course, I have my centerpiece back here. So yeah, guys, let me come over here. This one I couldn't put on the tier tray because the tier tray is full. I think it look nice, right guys? I think it look very nice. I like it. So I don't know which one I'm going to keep. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, guys. I hope you like what I put together for you. There you have it. So I hope you guys like it. It looks very nice with all the lights off, as you guys can see. There is my big candle, and here comes my cross. See, guys? Let me push it back a little bit so you guys can see the cross. I think it looks very nice. All right, guys. Bye-bye.